Today I'm unboxing Sephora Mystery Box from Poundlashes. Maybe not unboxing, rather than unpacking, because it came in the envelope. But let's see what's inside. So this is a Sephora Mystery Bag that costs £13.99 plus £2.99 shipping. This one should have 5 items from Sephora in the box. Let's have a little look. So first item, let me get rid of that. First item seems to be a mask of some sort. Dragon fruit hair sleeping mask. It comes with a cap so you can put it overnight. Very nice. Second seems to be quite a big pack of wipes. Let's have a look. Bamboo exfoliating wipes. Very nice pack. 25 wipes inside. Now this looks like another mask. Oh, for hands. Mango hand mask. Nice. Then we have charcoal nose strips. There's 2 of those inside. Very nice. That's just a label. Let's see what else is there. That is some set of some sort. Brushes, makeup brushes. Let's open them up. Oh, there we go. Yes, a set of. Oh, that's broken already. A set of 4 different brushes. Nice and soft. Something for eyeshadow, for eyebrows. Yeah, good travel set to take with you when flying. And the last thing that we have in here is holographic nudes. That looks like an eyeshadow palette. Let's see. Yes. Some nice eyeshadows inside. Let's have a look how they actually look if they're all holographic and shiny. Oops. Let's try again. Okay, so there we go. Holographic nudes. Oh, okay, so it seems like only the lilac and the pink ones are holographic. The rest is matte. So you have 4 matte brownish colors and 2 holographic ones in this palette. Quite nice neutral one. Now let's see how much it's all worth. I found that eyeshadow palette is actually sold on Poundlashes at $6.99. I found the mango hand mask at eBay for $4.50. The charcoal nose strips I found on a niche website for £3 each, so £6 total. Now I didn't find the exact same hair mask, but similar ones, just different smells, on Sephora website are $4.79 at the moment. Same happened with the exfoliating wipes. Similar ones cost $5.99 on Sephora website. It was slightly more tricky with the travel makeup brush set. I could only find it on Arabic and Indian websites. So if we take the price from Sephora India, it would come down to around £10. That gives us a total of $38.27. I think it's quite a nice set to treat yourself. If you want to get it from Poundlashes, I'm gonna put the link in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, please comment, like and subscribe for more. Thanks a lot.